Webster's Dictionary defines the word bargain to mean bought or offered for sale more cheaply than is usual or expected. Well, hang on to your hat, as WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida, offers bargains galore and the lowest prices of the season, with 50% off every item in the store. Friday, February 23rd through Sunday, February 25th, 2024. As the weather warms, it's time to spring clean and freshen your home with bright, clean, and colorful fabrics and patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, blankets and throws, pillows, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look. New products arriving each and every day, and if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you just haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and many, many more. All at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet's lowest prices of the season sale. Friday, February 23rd through Sunday, February 25th, 2024. On Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open 7 days a week, it's WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet.